So I decided to make this video real quick and fast because like I'm sitting here and I can't believe that people are taking time out of their busy day, because I'm going to assume that you're a productive person, even though obviously it doesn't seem like you are. I can't believe that people are taking time out of their busy day to send me DMs all the way over Instagram to talk about my story time videos, about how degrading they are and what type of person I am. Do you know me from somewhere? Like I've always said, you people will literally watch a 10-minute, 5 minutes, 15-minute video of somebody and come to the conclusion and create some kind of narrative about people. Like, stop. You don't know me. And I understand that sometimes it might literally be just trolls and it's not that serious. But even if that's what you're doing, like, you have nothing else to do. Like, you're not offending me. Like I tell you guys in all of my videos, before I make these videos, I sit and I think about whether I want to put these things out there or not. It's my life. I chose to share it with you guys. So don't you think that I already sat and think about all the pros and cons before I put stuff about me on the internet? And the worst part about this is like every single person in this lifetime has skeletons in their closet. Some of you might just not be brave enough to share, and that's fine, because nobody has to know everything about you, or nobody has to know all your business. But if I choose to share my business, it's mine. You cannot tell me not to do so. And even if you can feel however you want to feel about it, but at the end of the day, it's my business. So taking the time out to leave me DMs and messages and stuff like that over Instagram and TikTok is not going to do anything to me, honey. I could care less. I've told you guys this multiple times. Y'all don't bother to comment over on YouTube because you know you're going to get blocked. But I'm going to block you when you send me a message on Instagram just the same. Like, and people. And like I told you guys in the last video, there's so many story times that I have. And this is one of the reasons why I don't share. Right? Because I know how people are. Like, it's crazy to me that somebody will do stuff like I'm lost for words. Like, people, just stop, because nothing that you do bothers me. Right? And I really don't want to show you guys the type of person that I am, because I act pretty decent, but I can get pretty wild also. So please don't do it. Find something else to do with your time. Because I promise you, you're not going to make me sit and cry. Okay? And I will be dropping more story times. If you don't like the content, you are free to go along. Nobody's forcing you to sit and watch. Nobody has a big stick over your back. Like, bruh. I don't go to work until 11 tonight, so I might be posting another video, guys. Like, I'm literally sitting here thinking, what should I do with my day? I'm tired, but I had to make this video first of all. Second of all, I'm going to be thinking, I don't know. I'll probably go back to sleep for sure. I'm hungry, but I don't know what to eat. I don't know. And then I'll probably go turn on the Jamaican news. And when I say the Jamaican news, I'm literally talking about TikTok, guys. Like, if you want to keep up with Jamaican news, just go to TikTok. I know y'all might be wondering, like, what is she talking about? But yeah, TikTok I keep. Everything that's going on in Jamaica is over by TikTok. Jamaican TikTokers on it. Jeez, mighty God. Y'all keep me busy every day, all day. Like, y'all ain't changing. I swear to God, like, I'm sitting down every day and I'm like, one of these days, y'all are gonna unalive. One of y'all are gonna do something to each other over money and content and all of this shit. Like, it's crazy. I know that they said that money is the root of all evil, but I never believed that shit until Jamaicans went over to TikTok. Jesus. What can go so in a Derek Morgan voice? No, man. We don't know self, we don't analyze each other, don't not get to spend the money. And did y'all know that TikTok is not forever? Like, Jesus, y'all don't have to be creating enemies over money, y'all. But anyways, I'm in a business when about the business. Big up yourself, Spice. So let me go back to the topic at hand. Do not send me any messages on my Instagram or TikTok about whatever video I choose to post on YouTube, because it's my channel and I decide what I want to post on there, whether you like it or not. Don't get me wrong, you can leave your comments respectfully, because if you notice on my channel, I allow people to voice their opinions, and I'm not rude when I comment back or whatever the case may be. Whether you agree or disagree with me, I'm not gonna be rude about it unless you're rude to me. But when you're gonna take time to go all the way over to my social media to send me a message about how you feel about me, you got jokes. Like, you really got jokes. My son wanted us to do a crackers challenge video today, but guys, I don't think I can do that. I no want to choke. I can't. Him craving, you know. Him craving. He's craving, so he can definitely beat me at that. But I'm scared that I might choke, and I can't eat so much crackers. So what's gonna be the fun in the game? I'm afraid I choke. I don't want to choke. Jamaica keep though. Like, I'm sitting here watching all the Jesus. The internet is the root of all evil, bruh. What was supposed to be fun and entertainment has turned into I don't even know. I think I'm gonna go back to bed and finish remove. I'm trying to take my nails off, but it feels like it's super glued, like it's not even moving, bruh. And I already cut them down and now it looks a mess. So I don't even know how I'm gonna fix this, but I'll let you guys know the end results. And I mean, comment down below and let me know what's the next video that you guys would like to see, separate apart from story times or whatever the case may be. Like, there's so much stuff to do, but I be so confused sometimes, apart from being tired and whatever the case may be. But love you guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you like my content. Turn the notification on so you can be notified whenever there's a new video. Have a great day. Have a great day, guys, and love you guys.